What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Yes, it's the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here. King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, no rags, just riches. King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, Turn Motivation to Means, Dog Pounders Out of Pups, Goosebumps Horror Stories, Sleeping with the Rain, Milwaukee Made King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, and King Hussle Live. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. Right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video. Make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. What it do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there? And we are back at it again with the gems. I'm back at it again with the sauce. I'm back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So, you tired of being a zero? You ready to be your family hero? Listen up, take a seat, get your pen, get your notepad, and let's get to these notes. Because I got some information always that's going to get you some dough. So, with that being said, today we're going to be talking about Chevron Federal Credit Union. Yes, another federal credit union. I'm out here dropping these gems that's going to help y'all win. A lot of people need this sauce so they can turn into a boss. So when I'll be dropping these federal credit unions, just like Navy Federal, any credit union, Federal Credit Union, smaller banks, they gonna give you the bag as long as you got everything in order, right? So with that being said, let's get into how you can get the bag. So Chevron Federal Credit Union, they're accepting anybody. You don't have to be in a certain state or anything like that, and they're giving out $25,000 personal loans to their members. So long as you're a member, doesn't matter how long you are a member, they will give you up to $25,000 and you have 60 months to repay this $25,000 back. Now, what's going to, hold on y'all. So, as long as you're anywhere, it don't matter. Anybody can sign up. Anybody can get the bag. Now, what's going to help you qualify getting approved for this $25,000 bag credit personal loan from Chevron Federal Credit Union? Now, when it comes to getting loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, a lot of people feel that just having a good credit score is what it takes to get approved for loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. And that is not the case. That is not the instance. When it comes to getting loans or anything, credit cards, lines of credit, it's all about the debt, the payment history, and the age on your credit report. This is showing and telling how long you've been managing money and how good you are with managing money. It's a lot of people out there that has credit misunderstood. That's misunderstanding credit. A lot of people don't know that the more credit, the more debt that you have and show that you can manage, that you can pay off and pay down, is better. It's a lot of people out there that feel that having the least debt or having no debt is the way to go, and that's 100% wrong. You want to show these lenders, these banks, and these groups when they go check your profile that you can manage money. If you don't have any money to manage, then they're not going to give you any money. So, $25,000 bad credit, $480 minimum personal loan. It's a lot of trade lines out there. First of all, you're supposed to have 5 primary trade lines: a line of credit, installment, revolving, auto, and mortgage. Primary trade line, home mortgage, primary trade line, or rental or leasing history from 2 years, 2.5 years backdated back. Those are the major primary trade lines that you need on your credit report. Those are the ones that they're checking and looking for. Then you got credit builder trade lines. And these are credit builder accounts that you can get and they will report to your credit report as a primary trade line. Now, with these credit builder trade lines, it's a savings account. So you're paying on. So you report to your say you got $10,000 credit builder trade line. It'll report to your credit report as a $10,000 loan. You'll be paying each month, and it goes in a savings account. And once you pay off $10,000, you unlock it, get that $10,000 back, and it'll report as you paid off a $10,000 loan with the payment history. Those are what credit builder trade lines do. Now, primary trade lines, these affect your credit. So if you don't make a payment, it's going to affect your credit. If you make a payment, it's going to affect your credit. And they want to see more of these because they know it affects your credit. They want to see how good you are when it matters. So people want to get $25,000 loan, personal loans. Well, in order to get qualified for a $25,000 personal loan, you got to have the debt, the payment history, and the age. So, however old the oldest account is on your credit report, that's how old your credit profile is. So when people got the disputing accounts and mailing in letters and getting all this debt up off their credit report, that was bad. So now you got to start all over. And that's going to hinder you from being able to get loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, especially the high amounts. Some people got student loans, some people got auto loans on their credit report. Everybody's credit profile is different. Everybody has a different situation going on with their credit profile. So a lot of people can't go off the next person's results. You need to add trade lines. So, unique primary trade lines. First of all, if you can't get those 5 primary trade lines on your own, as far as financing a car, getting a credit card, getting an installment loan, getting these things, then you're going to have to buy trade lines, primary trade lines. And there's certain sites that you can buy all 5 primary trade lines. Trade lines with Gamba, unique primary trade lines, self, Avis, the kickoffs. Then you got the credit builder trade lines. Insight Credit Union will give you a $5,000 credit builder loan. DCU, Bank of America will give you $5,000. There's banks out here that will give you $5,000 credit builder loans. And you can get multiple at one time that will report to your credit report as a primary trade line. So you get these 5 primary trade lines. Then you got CreditStrong.com that has $10,000 in installment loans. Credit Magnum has up to $30,000. So let's say you somebody that has $40,000 in debt being reported on your credit report already. Delinquent debt. Now we all know you got 3 FICOs: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Each credit bureau reports its own debt, but it's all calculated into one number, which is your overall debt. So let's say you got $40,000 in debt with student loans or something. You go to CreditStrong.com, get you the $10,000 installment loan. Then you go to Magnum Credit, which is powered by CreditStrong, get you the $30,000 installment loan. That's $40,000. So now you got $80,000 in good debt being reported to your credit report because you're making payments on that new $40,000, and it's all one number, $80,000. Then you gotta get your 5 primary trade lines, the credit builder accounts. But then you also got the self, the Avis, and the kickoffs. Insight Credit Union. So let's say $10,000 right there. So now you have $50,000. Then you go to unique primary trade line. You get $400,000 in primary trade lines. So now you have $400,000. Now you have $480,000 in debt being reported on your credit report. Now you also gotta have 2 credit cards on your credit report. So we'll get you an Open Sky, or that's gonna be a primary trade line of credit. Trade line supply has AU accounts, which is authorized users, which is credit card accounts that you can buy to report your credit report. You won't physically get the card, but it'll report to your credit report as if you have the card and you're making payments on time. They have accounts from $1,000 all the way up to $100,000. So you at $80,000. Let's say you get you a $50,000 account. Now you had $130,000 in debt plus the $400 that you just got, so you had $530,000 in debt being reported on credit report. All 5 primary trade lines, 2 credit cards. You got all the debt that you need. Getting a $25,000 loan ain't gonna be nothing, and you didn't even spend $25,000 to get these trade lines. So it's all about showing these banks, lenders, and groups that you can manage money. Now, once you got these trade lines, you want to go to chevronfcu.org. That's chevronfcu.org. And for people who got a hard time spelling, chevronfcu.org, chevronfcu.org. You want to go to personal, you want to go to loans, and you want to apply for the personal $25,000 loan. It's better to call or go into the branch because they will give you different options and they will help you push through that loan. And it's a lot of people who don't understand that. Because like I told you guys before, most of the time, most banks, lenders, and groups on their website, they are only promoting traditional loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. And when you need a traditional loan, credit card, line of credit, you need certain documentations. Bank statements, pay stubs, and W-2s. And these documentations come from anybody who has a job. Because anybody who got a job filing taxes and they got bank statements and they got pay stubs. And you get W-2s. They send them to you. So it's a lot of different banks out here with a lot of different requirements. Every bank does not require a 500, 600, 700 credit score. Some banks out here that don't even do credit checks, 480 minimums, the lowest credit score that you can have. They just want to see if you can manage money. If you can show that you can manage money, a lot of these banks, a lot of these lenders, and a lot of these groups will give you the bag. Now, also remember, a lot of people here give you loan, this amount this amount that. Always remember there's going to be an APR. And that APR is how they make money off you. So you got a bad credit, you're going to have a high APR, which means you got a $25,000 loan, you might be paying back $50,000. And then do that make sense? You got to pay back double? No, it don't make sense. So that's why I tell people, like, get y'all personal credit together first. Get y'all payment history, get y'all debt in order, get your debt to income ratio together, because that's what's going to help you get approved for these loans. A lot of people out there want to get bad credit bad credit loans. A lot of people want to get $50,000, $100,000, $250,000 no doc loans for their businesses, but feel like it's hard to get them because they don't understand the steps and logistics of how to do it. And it's not hard. It's 2 ways to do it. You either gonna utilize your personal credit or you gonna just use your business credit. A lot of people don't even know how to build their business credit. It's easier to get along with your business credit than it is from utilizing your personal credit. People who utilize their personal credit already got good credit. So that's why they're utilizing their personal credit, so they ain't got to do all the steps to build their personal credit, their business credit. But if you got bad credit and you start a business, I would just build my business credit, because then you're going to be building 2 profiles. I make some money with my business and then take some of that money and start building my personal credit, or do it at the same time, because all you got to do is add trade lines and make sure you're making payments on time. That's just a self thing that you got to keep up with. And a lot of people are not willing to keep up with stuff like that. I mean, a lot of people got their own situations, their own problems in life, so they might lose a job or et cetera, so they might not be able to keep up with payments and things like that, but that's what it takes. So always understand, when it comes to getting these loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, it's not about your credit score. It's about the debt, payment history, and age on your credit report. How much debt do you have? Are you paying this debt down? How long have you had this debt? Will this debt interfere from you paying back this loan? That's how you get approved for any loan out there. So make sure y'all paying attention to y'all debt. Make sure y'all paying attention to y'all payment history. I gave y'all a video, dropped a video on how to remove late payments, bankruptcies. I'm dropping this sauce so y'all can start connecting the dots and y'all can turn into real bosses. Easy as that, alright? So make sure y'all really paying attention, tapping in, watching the video from start to end, because I promise you, y'all skipping and fast forward and all that, then y'all make comments like, oh, what about it? And I said it in the video, so if you would have watched the video from start to end, you would have heard it. Easy as that. All right, so with that being said, shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there would be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping this sauce, and y'all motivate me keep you entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime one-on-one limit gyms is $1,000. But for a limited time only, I'm doing it for $350. Yes, $350. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $350 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we'll go from there. All right? No screenshot, no reply, no 21 questions, and please do not yo me. 10 slots available each seat, because these seats is filling up fast. And I ain't got time for people to be hounding me. So 10 seats available each day. Get your seat while it lasts, or just gotta wait. Also, make sure you all follow the Telegrams, New Age Credit Repair and the Millionaire Network. Yeah, make sure y'all get y'all in-person limit gyms for $6,500, $500 deposit, the rest of the money in person, and get y'all credit mentorship $2,500, starting at $2,500, because y'all also got to pay for your own trade lines and all that. I'm not paying for them. Nothing ain't free. So $2,500. I got to mail in letters, call credit bureaus, all different type of stuff. Like, cleaning credit is a hassle. So $2,500, I'm gonna be hands on. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna do some things on it too. So we're gonna do it together. I'm gonna get you trade lines. I'm gonna get you together. So make sure you're tapping in on that. You still look for people for the. Make sure y'all go follow the Telegram. Said that. Still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women for the production company. So you rap, you sing, you model, you act, or anything like that. Tap in, let's work. We're gonna do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, traveling, networking, make money, and having fun. All right, so let's get together and work. Also, make sure you go follow my blog channels: King Hussle, No Rag, King Hussle 2.0, No Rags, Just Riches, Smokey Made, King Hussle, and King Hussle 2.0. Make sure you go follow my reaction channel, King Hussle Crazy Reactions. We're going up over there. Make sure you go follow my clothing line, Boost Glitter Department. That's Hustle Department and Friends. Dropping new joggers soon, apparel and kids apparel. Make sure you go follow my horror story channel, Goosebumps Horror Stories. Make sure you go follow my rain channel, Sleeping with the Rain. Make sure y'all tapped in and stay tuned in. Make sure y'all getting these YouTube Faces Automation channels created. I know a lot of y'all see these YouTube channels with these videos get millions of views with nobody showing their face, and millions of views equal thousands of dollars. So with that being said, let's get to work. For $250, I create your channel in 2 videos. For $500, I create your channel in 5 videos. And for $1,000, I create your channel in 10 to 12 videos, right? So tap in and get y'all videos created, and I will also teach you how to make the videos on your own. So with that being said, man, it's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down into these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson or video. Peace.